You walk in as a freshman in a design course and you're literally designing something like first day of college.
With DesignSpine, I think you're setting yourself up for a very sound fundamental engineer.
DesignSpine is a simple concept that allows us to put students into multidisciplinary teams to solve the challenges of society.
They will have much more experience, much more flexibility.
We hope that all our students will become proficient in the field, they'll be technically talented, but we also hope that they understand that their talents are meant to benefit others in their community.
And we're hoping that by starting early on with that hands-on experience, that they are going to be able to translate that into very successful careers.